Everyone, this is the robot Deebot 900 Ozmo, as you can see here. So I'm gonna show you what I did to fix the problem I had with my, well, I had multiple problems actually. So here I fixed two problems. One of the problems was that my main roller had a short circuit. And so I found that, well, just to make sure that everyone knows, I'm not an expert at all. I'm just a guy who likes to fix things. So it looks pretty dirty. But anyway, the problem with the roller, I found there was a short circuit here. And in my case, the issue was this transistor here. So I tested it and it was not working properly. And then basically I just replaced it. Once I replaced it, the short circuit here on the motor stopped, and so I managed to fix this problem here. I think it was impacting also other parts of the motherboard, because there was, after that I started having some problems to charge. So I did some tests here. I thought that I had found some issues, so that's why the main board looks like I did some soldering here. And by the way, my soldering skills are basic, and I also don't have the right tools, but it worked. So just in case you are trying to fix your robot as I was, I'm not a technical guy, but anyway, my problem here. So with the main engine, the issue for me was this transistor here. Maybe I would say for some people might be also this fuse here. So I would say check this two if you can, if you need to replace them. I needed to buy a new engine, but now it's all a new motor, and it's all good.